Hey everyone, my name's Josh Loebner. I'm really excited to be teaching visual rhetoric. Visual rhetoric, it's pretty straightforward. The term visual, everybody knows what that means. It's something that we can tactfully see. Rhetoric, though, it's a little bit more tricky, but ultimately rhetoric could be broadly defined as the way we persuade. So visual persuasion. And throughout the course, you'll learn a little bit more about this definition and so many more. There are within Canvas a lot of great resources from videos to uh, website links to, of course, your textbook that I hope everybody has. I'm just going to dive in and talk a little bit about myself and then a few things that are due for Module 1 this week. Again, my name's Josh Loebner. My background, I've been teaching at King University for now almost 5 years, maybe even a bit longer. I'm also pursuing a PhD, so I'm in the same boat as you, and actually it's online as well at Clemson University. My PhD is in rhetoric, communication, and information design. So a lot of the things that we'll be both teaching and learning throughout this course are things I'm very familiar with. Beyond my role as a PhD student and lecturer here at King University, I'm also a director of strategy at an advertising agency in Knoxville, Tennessee, and it's the name of it's Design Sensory. If you want to, I would encourage you to go to that website to see a few of the visual rhetoric pieces that we develop. I've been in the advertising industry for 20 years, and I'm pursuing my PhD and also teaching because I have a passion for sharing with others wonderful knowledge, not only about communications, advertising, and marketing, but also diversity and inclusion. I am blind and visually impaired. Basically, my left eye I am totally blind in, and my right eye I'm legally blind. So if ever I give a video and I kind of go like this, that means I'm looking at something on the screen to share with you. And so I'm just going to do that right now. I'm going to talk about some of the things that are going to be taking place in Module 1 this week. Again, welcome to Visual Rhetoric at King University. And a few things that we're going to be going over for Module 1. Well, first, introduction, discussion. Please share a little bit about yourself within the discussion board. You're going to hopefully read about some of your classmates as well and myself. And those are due by Wednesday. And the discussions are, you're also going to read chapters 1 through 3 in Williams' text, the 2015 edition. And also you're going to respond to Module 1 discussion board. The goal is you're going to submit your original post by Wednesday of this week and then respond to one classmate's post by Sunday. You're also going to post in the visual corkboard, and there should be a link for that within Module 1. And that's going to be due by the end of the week on Sunday. And then you're also going to critique one brochure. And just to give a sense of course, everybody's familiar with a brochure. This is a super tiny brochure. It was for a conference that I spoke at. And as you can see, it accordion folds out. It's quite small text. So for somebody with a visual impairment, it may be a challenge to read. There's a rubric that should be able to walk you through what this project is. And then finally, you're going to complete Module 1 quiz. So that's a quick synopsis of everything in Module 1. If anybody has questions, my email is in the information in Canvas. And if for whatever reason you need it super quickly, just to rattle it off here, J.B. Loebner, and that's spelled Loebner at king.edu. I'm really excited to virtually meet everybody, find out what your passions are, why you're excited, hopefully, about this class, and we'll go from there. Again, if anybody has questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My goal is to respond via email within, at a minimum, 1 to 2 hours, hopefully sooner than that, and we'll stay in touch. Thanks so much for being a part of this class. Take care.